Hello Pythons. In this video we are going to make a comparison between ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So let's start. For those who don't know, DeepSeek is a Chinese AI site that competes with ChatGPT. We will ask him the following questions. If you want to get access to this, just go to DeepSeek.com. And then you'll see this announcement at the top. So it says DeepSeek-R1 is now live and open source rivaling OpenAI model available on web app and API, so you can actually get an app for it as well. And then if we click on the Start Now option from here inside the chat, just make sure you click on DeepThink. This is how you're going to get access to the reasoning model. Otherwise, it'll just be on DeepSeek version 3. So from here we're going to say something like, what model are you, just to double check, and you can see. It's also got search in integrated. But as you can see here it says, I'm DeepSeek-R1. An AI assistant created exclusively by the Chinese company. DeepSeek, I'll do my best to help you. Now this model is actually really good at reasoning and logic, obviously. So it's great for coding, building tools, and answering questions that require a lot of thinking. So we're going to test this out. We'll put in, for example, how many hours in strawberry. And you can see here, like, the way that it thinks is superhuman, right? So if it reads like an inhuman monologue, for example, okay, let me start by writing down the words, so I can check the letter one by one. Let me go through each letter and step weight in the word strawberry. The letters are strawberry, so the RS are at position 3, 8, and N, that's 3 RS. Wait, that can't be right. Let me count again. Let's write the letters, their positions, then it starts going through emotions here and highlights the 3 instances of strawberry. Whereas, for example, if you're using like a really basic model like ChatGPT-4, which is not a logic and reasoning model, and we ask it how many hours are in strawberry, so it passes the strawberry test. Now we're going to do a speed test. I'm going to ask ChatGPT-O1 and DeepSeek-R1 to make a calculator website with HTML. We see that DeepSeek is fast to answer, while ChatGPT-O1 slow. We see that DeepSeek has finished writing the code. You can run the code by pressing Run HTML. The result is really great. The colors are consistent and everything works correctly. Let's wait for ChatGPT to finish writing the code. We'll try the code at codepen.com. The calculator website's interface feels outdated and cluttered when contrasted with DeepSeek's sleek, modern design, which prioritizes intuitive navigation, visual harmony, and seamless user interactions. Conclusion of the comparison. DeepSeek wins for STEM tasks, ChatGPT for creativity. But if you want both, use them together, they're stronger as a team.